Repairing plastics has never been easier than with Polyvance's line of nitrogen plastic welders. However, organizing all of your welding rod and specialty tools while working can be a little frustrating. There just doesn't seem to be enough room to keep all of the supplies handy. Until now. The 6074 Nitro Fuzer Accessory Shelf opens up a lot of useful space on top of the welder, giving you plenty of room to organize your tools and welding rod. The 6074 Accessory Shelf is easily installed on any red box Polyvance welder by drilling a few holes in the upper half of the welder box and bolting it on. It folds out to expand working space on top of the welder, and folds back for compact storage. The shelf features an upturned edge to keep your items from rolling off, and slots that accommodate the triggers of most air tools. Combined with our welding rod organizer boxes, the 6074 Accessory Shelf can make your Polyvance welder more functional than ever. You may also keep the whole system under wraps with one of Polyvance's custom-fit dust covers. Polyvance's nitrogen plastic welders and accessories make your plastic repairs faster, stronger, and more profitable. For more information and pricing, talk to your local paint and equipment jobber or go to polyvance.com.